It's a fucking beautiful day in Peterborough today, man. Holy fuck. It's kind of cold, but I like the cold. It's a really nice day. The sun's shining. It's beautiful clouds in the sky. I love days like this. It's fucking what fall's all about to me, man. Favorite time of year. But I had a couple of things that I wanted to say in that little fucking good morning video that I forgot to mention. I also wanted to shout out my friend Jennifer Shedden, who told me she's going to start watching my videos. But just for the sake of shameless self-promotion, and because there's no posters around, we're relying on social media to get the word out on this gig. But a week come tomorrow, 15th of September, Friday, the 15th of September, along with a bunch of other bands, me and my dear, wonderful friend, Jill Stavely, who plays drums with me in a little garage rock duo we have called Hurricane Charlie, that I got some of our music up on the channel. We're doing a gig at the Garnet, if you're local to Peterborough. We're gonna fucking rip the roof off that motherfucker, because that's what we do. We rip the roof off shit. Jill and I used to play in a band together called the Diplomats. With yesterday for my 40th subscriber video, I posted a tune off an old cassette I found of me and my buddy, my old friend Ian Osborne. He was a fella I met when I moved to Peterborough. So 20 years of my senior, but one of the finest dub reggae bass players you will ever fucking know. Just a fucking amazing musician. And I really miss playing music with him. But yeah, her and him and I used to have a band called the Diplomats, and we had a good time with that. But Ian left the band, and Jill and I wanted to continue the band, but we didn't want to use the same name, just for spiritual reasons, I guess. But so we named the band after her daughter Charlie, and the fact that we sound like a fucking hurricane. That's what we do. Fucking tear shit up. So yeah, we're playing a gig next Friday night down in the Garnet. If you're free, or if you're around, or if you want to fly in. If you want to fly in and fucking hang out in the meth end of town with Dirty Pat Walsh, I'll let you sleep on my fucking broken futon. You know how it is. Yeah, I'm just it's my walk to the dock. First thing in the morning. You know what? I think that fucking cat had a fucking can of dip in his hand. I should have hit him up for a pinch. It's all good. But yeah, I just wanted to plug that gig because I forgot to. I wanted to do that because that's how we're relying on getting the word out for this gig. So yeah, I'll be seeing you. Be well.